To identify these 4 types of DNA mutations, I'm going to give you an example of a silent, missense, nonsense, and frameshift mutation, and you have to identify which one is which. For each example, I'm going to give you the original DNA sequence, the original amino acid sequence, and then the mutated DNA and the mutated amino acid sequence. We can see in our first example the T was replaced with an A, which changed cysteine to serine. So what type of mutation is this? This is a missense mutation since we're changing the amino acid. Let's take a look at our second example. In this one, we deleted or removed this C nucleotide, which shifted everything over. This also changed the tyrosine to an isoleucine and glycine to a glutamine. So what type of mutation is this? This is an example of a frameshift mutation since we changed the codon sequence of the reading frame. Let's take a look at our third example. You can see the C nucleotides changed to a T and the tyrosine didn't change, which means this is an example of a silent mutation since the amino acid sequence didn't change. And here's our last example. You can see this T changed to an A, which changed cysteine into a stop codon, which means translation is going to stop and won't go further. So this is an example of a nonsense mutation.